I hope you have downloaded the dataset from the Kaggle website. Now I'm going to tell you what is Titanic dataset. Basically, it have number of variables, and there is one variable which is called survived variable in the dataset. So basically, you have to use the machine learning to predict this survival variable. That means whether the person who was traveling on the Titanic ship survived or not after the Titanic sank after colliding with an iceberg. So basically, Titanic was a ship which collided with an iceberg in 1912, and it killed 1502 out of 2224 passengers. So you need to predict which of the passengers survived and which of the passengers didn't survive. This is the problem, and you have to predict for the unknown data set. So basically you have two data set, with one is training data set and the other is testing data sets. So testing data set doesn't have the survived variable. You have to predict for the testing data set with this survived variable, whereas the training data set has all the variables along with the survival variable, from which you have to learn, from which the model will learn the features which are helpful in prediction for the survival variables.